I think you have to lift it up and over. Ooh, 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 she's moving.
Flashback.
Underneath that there is what we're pulling the engine out of to drop in this here. So we got an engine, you guys. Take a guess. What do you think's under there? What are we gonna put in this thing?
End of flashback.
Chevy Express 3500. Under the hood here. Vortec. I believe it's the 6.0. Let's start her up. Sound like that power steering. All right, guys, here it is. Getting to do some work at night. Only get so much free time to work on the vehicles. Excuse me. So, as you saw, starts up. We are going to start disassembling all this stuff right here. Luckily there was a good YouTube tutorial on how to take apart an engine out of here. We're hoping it's either an LQ4, shoot, maybe even get lucky with the LQ9, probably not as likely. I believe the LQ4 is what came in standard, but yep, gonna start tearing into it now. So got some of this. Got that little air intake, the well, if that's coolant reservoir or whatever, we got that off. And now had to come in here to the fuse box and took off that fuel pump. Sorry, the fuel pump relay. I don't know if you can see right there. Sorry, I'm holding the phone, but it's right back there where this fuse right here, had to pull it out. This little guy. Anyhow, this little fuse, had to pull it out there, and now that clears the gas. And if you hear me try to start it, you'll hear it now. Getting out all the gas pressure. Now you'll see it doesn't start anymore. I've cleared all the gas out of there because that relay is not removed. Can remove the battery and get some of this other stuff out of here. But we're starting, getting it rolling. All right, y'all. Well, got a lot of the front off, but I don't know if you're able to see, but just draining the oil now. Sucker's almost full. Just pull this. You just pull that little bolt out of the back of that oil pan there, and out comes all your oil. All right, we're back out here. Beautiful day. We got the Express are set up here. It's nice and hot, so gotta put a tent up. taking off the front grill. Turn into it, y'all. Once we get this radiator out here, gotta unhook all these hoses. Fan. Start diving into getting the engine out. Hopefully today we'll get the engine out. Like I said last night, hopefully it's an LQ4, LQ9. If not, it's gonna have to go into the truck regardless of what it is. But alright, y'all, let's get this thing torn apart. Moving along, look who we got out here helping us. Hello. Look. Appreciate you. One of the nice things of having a big express cargo van, we put all the parts away in the trunk. Or cargo bed, whatever you call it. Thank you. Look at this. Helpful hands.
Oh, later it's gonna freaking burn.
We got the hose off, guys. It was like corroded on there. We're draining now. All the fluids from the radiator coming out of there.
You guys, he doesn't want to give me credit, but I pulled it out.
All by yourself.
You were doing you were hammering the thing out, but I was doing all the.
It's there. We're getting close. All right. So this fan right here, getting this fan off was a headache, and you got to get in behind here to the nut that holds the radiator fan on there, and then you turn that,
Okay,
and you
right
see.
there, leave right there. I can see where you're at. You're holding the nut right there.
Yeah, right there. You hook this on, and it goes counterclockwise with the fan, how it spins, and you just keep on cranking it all the way around, and see how that bell housing thing, that metal circle thing right there is staying still because I clamped it. And the fan thing shouldn't be on too tight. That you just got to apply some pressure.
Woo! And there it goes.
And crank it loose. So now you can see what I was talking about.
Look at that.
You bolt this bolt right here, or I mean, excuse me, this nut right here. You take the pipe wrench and you're clamped onto that right here like this, and you're trying to crank it while, get it right here. You have to hold this whole unit right here once to spin. You have to hold it in place.
Hold on, not these.
With this vice grips. That's all good. All right, we got the fan off. Just taking it all apart here. We got access now to the engine, and the next one, take all this out, bumper and all that. Grab that engine somehow, whether we use chains and bolt to the engine or one of those plates that goes on the top, and you pull the sucker out, but it's got to come like straight out because this van, the engine sits tucked up in there. So I'm gonna try to get that thing straight out of there. All right, guys, so inside I've been working at taking off all of the front of this interior right here, this cab. This part right here is screwed on by 4 bolts inside, 10mm I think. Pull those out, 4 of them, then this whole console comes off. These little hook clips, you just pull back on them, they pull up right here. And over here on the side, obviously you gotta take these out. There's some bolts right here for this console. Took it off. There we go. Oh, good. And the pump stopped. There we go. There it is. All So we're gonna try to take this bad girl all the way out. We're just gonna start right here. All right, y'all. Naughty? You excited about the engine? Huh? That's trash. Thanks though. All right, y'all. We're still getting after it. That's right. Naughty's hungry. Time to go and get some food. All right, guys. As you can see, we're getting down and dirty underneath this van. I think we got it unhooked for the most part from everything that's gonna keep it from not getting out. So, time to pull it out. Cherry picker. So we got it in there. Let's try to.
Okay,
Crank
we got
it
this
loose.
thing here.
Something still. Maybe I need to lift it a little.
I think you have to lift it up and over. Ooh, 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 she's moving.
Keep it steady. All right, guys, the oil pan, it just won't clear. So,
Ew.
I got wifey over here. Hi, say hi.
Hello.
Move the other hand. Anyways, we're gonna drop this engine cross member, whatever that is called right there. And
This big old metal thing.
yep, she's helping me as I unbolt
Look at my little
this
bed I
here hole right
got.
there.
It's a rolling bed.
Nice. She's all covered up with her hood and everything, but
I don't want any oil in my hair.
yep, we got the queen out here getting her hands dirty. Let's go.
Whoa. It's coming out.
Yeah, Danny, go up a little.
Whoa. Something stuck.
Motor mounts in the back of the front. It's out, y'all. Alright, here's something last thing to say. There we go.
I don't want to be there.
Here, you record.
You touch your yucky hands on your. Alright.
Look at that.
Okay.
We did it. Transmission down inside. Transmission and all. Just got a couple wires here. Didn't want to get loose, so now we're gonna have to loosen them up down here at the box down here. To the right, this way. Not this right here. These.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see.
Yeah, these. Some of them are still connected around that steering column. That's why. But once I get that disconnected from the fuse box here, we should be good. All right.
Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sheesh. Okay. Wow. It's out.
Guys, we labored all day. My brother, wife, here helping me at the end. And throughout, obviously. But we got it out. That thing was no joke.
I'm freezing out here. Shoot.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right, guys.
Got the engine out.
Got it out. Can't wait to put it in the old Apache.
And there she is. She's just waiting for her engine and a little self-care.
All right, guys, I looked everywhere where you could see if someone could pull a Chevy Express van, engine, and transmission out. No, I didn't see any on YouTube, so it can be done. All right. Took a long time. Had to take out all the motor mounts in there, down to the frame. But as you can see, we did it. Look at that hole over there.
Gosh. Yes, it's out. Hold. Look at that. Usually people just take out that part,
Yeah,
not
just
this
the
whole
engine
freaking. This tail right here was the.
Cut these and all that, but
Yeah.
we got it, guys. Thanks to the tools. My bro, elbow grease of the wifey. Hey, if you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, y'all. Appreciate it, and stay tuned. We'll have plenty more to come. All right, y'all. There it is. Take it easy. Peace.